Hi, this is Jim with Current Electrical Contractors. We're seeing a lot of electric cars these days. Current Electric has installed at least 1,000 of these in the last few years. We're ranked well on the Tesla website. In this installation, we installed a 100 amp wall connector that the owner furnished. And then the owner liked the vehicle so much he bought another one for his wife, and we installed another electric car charger wall connector. These two wall connectors talk to each other so that if one vehicle is plugged in, it gets the full charge. If two vehicles are plugged in, the charge is split between the two. The average cost of an installation is $1,500. That's an average. Some are more expensive. This was because the electrical panel where the power comes from is all the way on the other side of the house. If you'd like an estimate, we'd be happy to send an estimator out and he'll give you a detailed report on what it's going to take to install a charger at your home. Thanks.